Guys, how are you today? This is very small video, a very small one. Okay, so I want to show you about files, right? So like I said, the Linux, the super user is sudo the root user, and you put your password there. So now if you write who am I, you're gonna see that you are now root, and root has got all the permissions you need. So if you list there, you can see that we are in the home folder, and we want to navigate to the documents, maybe cd documents, and you press enter. Now we want to list the files in the document. There are no files, so let's create our own files. Touch mother dot, okay, touch mother, there I go, and I can clear the screen. So for me to see all the files and their permissions, we're going to use ls -l, like that. So now as you can see, we've got rwrr. What does this mean? Well, we got three types of file permissions. You got read, write, and execute. So as for now, as you can see, the root user is the only one who can read and write the file. He cannot execute it. See, so the first one, it shows us the owner of the file. So we can see that this is the owner, and maybe the groups, and something like that, right? So now I said the root user is the only one who can. So let's exit from being the root. Want to see something, and I list -l. I'm sorry. Let's go to the document, cd documents, ls-l. Right, now I want to try and write to the file. Okay, because now as you can see, I said there's read, write, and execute. It's only read and write, but all these other users don't have any executing power. So let's do this. Let's try nano and mother, and then as you can see, we are being prompted that mother is unwritable because we don't have the permission to write. We cannot write anything there. So what can we do now? We can add some file permissions. So we can write chmod plus write mother. But because you are not root, like I said, root is the only one who's got the permission to give other people permission. We have to go to be root sudo su, and then we write the same permission, chmod plus write mother. And when we do ls-l there, you can see that so we can put 777 so that everybody can have access to everything, like 777. And if you do ls there, you can see that we now have all the permissions: read, write, execute. Everybody got read, write, and execute permission. So that's it for today. So what I was trying to say is that the sudo is the one who's got all the permissions to do anything at any time. We get it. Unlike other ordinary users, they don't have that permission. So the root is the only one who has the permission to give other people permissions. And that's the file permission. So we got read, write, and execute. You can add the file permissions as per which. Maybe you can say chmod, which means chmod, it gives some permissions. So you can say chmod plus x, which stands for executable, chmod plus w, which stands for write, chmod plus r, which stands for read. Okay guys, I think and I hope it made sense to you. Okay, now that's for today. See you in the next lecture. So